This is the Power Drop from GarageSmart. To install the Power Drop, you'll need the ceiling bracket, which is included. But for more versatility, you can order a smart track from GarageSmart. Use a stud sensor to find the stud in your ceiling nearest to where you want your Power Drop to be. Check out our stud finding video here to help you. Use the included drill bit to pre-drill your holes. Then, use a ratchet to install your lag screws. Do not use an impact wrench as it could damage the lag screw. Make sure to use both lag screws for the bracket or the smart track. Use the included pins to install your Power Drop and plug your Power Drop into the nearest outlet. Before installing any smart track, please view our mounting guidelines video here to safely install your smart track and the products you will mount to it. If installing with the smart track, use the included track covers to make your install look more tidy. You can also use the included cable clips to attach the power cord to the drywall. Just remove the 3M backing, stick the clip to the drywall, use the included screw to hold it in place, and snap the cord into the clip. Grab your phone and using the GarageSmart app, scan the QR code on your Power Drop. From the app, you can turn the Power Drop on or off. You can also set a schedule and monitor voltage from the app. The Power Drop comes with 25 feet of cord and a stopper that lets you adjust the drop-down length depending on the height of your ceiling. Just press the button and move the stopper up or down. You can also use the additional AC power outlet on the Power Drop to daisy chain other products from GarageSmart. That's it. Enjoy your Power Drop from GarageSmart. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, a comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. And be sure to visit our website for more products that will make your garage even smarter.